Welcome to Canary Agrochemicals Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of crop protection products. The company was established in the year 1991. We have spread our wings to West Africa, East Europe, and Middle East. Complete customer satisfaction, accurate and effective formulation are the plus points of our organization. We offer a wide array of insecticides, fungicides, and pesticides. Our insecticides are best in the industry amongst others. We offer fungicides that are nothing but the best solution for all your needs. Crop antibiotics offered by us are in huge demand across the global markets. Along with that, we offer herbicides and plant growth regulator that are a class apart. We also provide pesticides that are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. For more information, log on at www.indiamart.com/canary-agro-chemicals.